welcome back on my channel. This is me, Miss Morena, and for today's video I am gonna be showing you on how I clean this leather bag. So this is not an hermes bag, guys. This is just a copy of an hermes style bag. So I got this bag from a thrift store, and this bag cost $3 only. So this bag is quite dirty and old, but I like the style, that's why I bought it. And today I'm gonna be showing you on how I am going to clean this leather bag. So I'm just gonna show you the before look of this bag. And this is how it looks like. Shampoo, guys, so you can use any kind of shampoo and a toothbrush. Make sure that the bristle is very soft. Guys, you can use a white towel or tissue if you want to wipe off the brushing the bag with the shampoo, guys, we will be using a alcohol and a cotton for our final touch. So just rub cotton with alcohol around the bag to remove all the excess dirt that's still in the bag. And here is our final look of the bag. like it, please click that subscribe button and notification bell, like and share this video.